There is a website with 16,000 abandoned buildings pinned to a map. Hospitals, factories, whole hotels, left exactly as they were. The map is free. Knowing where anything actually is costs money. The site is UrbexVault. 16,300 locations across dozens of countries, each with photographs, notes from people who have been, and how hard it is to get in. Browsing costs nothing. It is, honestly, a lovely way to lose an evening. The coordinates are the product. Somewhere between 2 and 4.5 euros for a single location. Or you buy a country. Belgium is about 90 euros for 1,600 places, or $7.49 a month. Everything everywhere is 180 euros one-off, or 15 a month. I have not paid for any of it. This is from their own pages and from published legal guidance. Now the part that matters more than the price. Abandoned does not mean unowned. Every one of those buildings belongs to somebody, and walking into it is trespass in most places, a criminal charge, plus a civil claim if you damage anything. Worse, the moment you are trespassing, you lose most of the protection the law would normally give you if the floor gave way. And these buildings are full of asbestos, rotten stairs, and open shafts. Paying for a pin on a map does not buy permission to be there. Nobody selling you coordinates is on the hook when you use them.
Browse it for free and enjoy it. As a thing to look at, it is genuinely great. Do not spend 180 euros on coordinates you have no legal right to stand on. And if you do want to go somewhere like this properly, ask the owner. Plenty say yes, and a decommissioned site with permission beats a fine and a hospital visit.